In this video, I want to talk about mouse traps. And if you are not an advocate for using these, first of all, I'm sorry. But second, I am, and the reason is because as a homeowner, I need to protect my investment, I need to protect my family, and mice can do a lot of damage. I have pulled several wires out of my old house where they've been chewed down to the bare copper. That is a major fire hazard. And not to mention the mess they make inside your walls and up in your attic and everywhere else. It's just not good. So with that out of the way, let's get into why I'm making this video. I actually made a video on how to set a mouse trap, and it has a ton of views. And the reason is because people don't like setting these kinds of mouse traps. They can pinch your finger, they can snap your fingers. They're just really difficult to set, and people hate using them, and I don't blame them. Check this one out. This is a TomCat press and set mousetrap. The video I made for this was about 3 minutes long. Let me give you the tutorial on this one. So you just put your bait in here, whatever it is. In my case, it's peanut butter, and then you set it, and that's it. You don't have to worry about your little fingers or anything like that. And then when this gets set off, you have two choices. They recommend to just throw the entire trap away, or you can release and set it again. I figured since so many people checked out this video that they were looking for a solution like this. I'm glad I found it because it does work really well. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.